We will use NLTK to demonstrate the stemming process. As mentioned before, NLTK provides multiple stemmers. We will use the Porter stemmer and Lancaster stemmer for demonstration. The text input is, "Bunny loves NLP." The first step is to tokenize this sentence and pass it to two different stemmers. You can see that the outputs are different, as mentioned before. We will use NLTK and spaCy to demonstrate lemmatization. For NLTK's lemmatizer, we will tokenize words using the NLTK tokenizer first and then pass them to the WordNet lemmatizer. You may notice that it will remove the suffix s from leverages, materials, etc. On the other hand, spaCy has its own tokenizer and lemmatizer. Due to the different tokenizer, you may notice that the spaCy tokenizer will split NLP-based and a cutting edge into two separate words, while NLTK does not. Additionally, the spaCy lemmatizer converts is to zb, while the rest of the outputs are the same as the WordNet lemmatizer.